Number 1. 1990 Ford F150, price $9,850. Well-maintained classic pickup that runs like new and delivers strong power. With only 40,735 miles on the odometer, it features a 5.0L V8 EFI engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a manual 4x4 floor shifter. The truck is equipped with a gray exterior and a matching interior, and it runs on gasoline. It also comes with independent suspension, dual gas tanks, and functioning air conditioning. Currently registered through March 2026, this truck has already passed a smog check valid until June 13, 2025. Numerous new parts and recent services make it ready to go for years to come. These include a California legal MagnaFlow catalytic converter, new coil, new EGR valve, new interstate battery, fresh oil change, new fuel and air filters, new antifreeze, thermostat, spark plugs, and fresh transmission fluid. This 1990 F-150 stands as a solid example of classic Ford engineering, clean, powerful, and ready for the road or trail. Number 2. 1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. Well-preserved survivor that has traveled 138,000 miles. It features a tan exterior and matching tan interior, giving it a clean and classic look. Powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, this truck still runs strong and is ready to drive home without issue. Although the motor is starting to show some signs of age, the truck is equipped with working air conditioning, making it a comfortable ride even in warm weather. It rides on brand new tires, and the bed is in excellent condition both inside and out, clearly well cared for over the years. Adding to its appeal, it comes with a paint-matched topper that blends seamlessly with the overall look. Number 3. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800. It has 122,000 miles and features a blue exterior with an automatic transmission. It's powered by a strong TBI 5.7L V8 paired with a 700R4 transmission. The truck runs and drives great, with new brakes, tires, and a full manifold back dual exhaust system. The interior has been refreshed with a new seat, carpet, dash, and dash bezel. It also includes new armrests, rear-view mirror, and window channels. Power windows and door locks work perfectly, and the tilt steering column is solid with no play. While it's mechanically solid, the truck has some cosmetic flaws, a cheap paint job, a dent in the door, likely fixable by a paintless dent specialist, rust under the battery tray, and small holes along the bed from a former tonneau cover. Number 4. 1986 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500. Finished in white with a blue interior, this truck is powered by a 5.3L V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission. The engine appears to be mostly stock, equipped with a 650 carburetor and enhanced with a 125 shot of nitrous oxide. The bottle currently needs refilling. An MSD ignition box has also been installed for improved spark performance. While the truck performs well, it does come with a few minor needs. The radiator is slightly undersized for the current setup, though it doesn't overheat. A larger unit is recommended. Additionally, the transmission has a slight leak from the seal where the drive shaft connects. The exhaust currently runs straight pipes, so mufflers may be desired depending on preference. Number 5. 1994 Ford F150, price $7,500, classic full-size pickup with 180,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it also features 4x4 capability with automatic locking hubs, making it suitable for both on- and off-road driving. Finished in white with a clean blue interior, this truck comes equipped with power windows, power seats, power door locks, and other standard conveniences from its era. It holds a clean title and even includes the original owner's manual, testament to its history and care. This F-150 was owned by an older gentleman who maintained it faithfully for 29 years, ensuring it continues to run and drive as it should. It's a solid example of a classic American workhorse that's ready to keep going. Number 6. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. It features a clean title and is powered by a strong-running V8 engine that performs reliably. The truck has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior was recently repainted in white, giving it a fresh, clean appearance, while the interior is finished in gray and remains in good condition. According to the dashboard, the truck has 161,000 miles on it, although it's unclear if those are the original miles, as the current owner received it in that condition. The vehicle has current registration with tags paid and has already passed a smog check, making it ready for the road. Overall, this Sierra offers dependable performance, a clean look, and is a great option for anyone in need of a classic, no-nonsense pickup.
Number 7.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,800, with its bold yellow exterior and striking red interior. It has just 67,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 small block V8 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The truck also features centerline wheels and a dual exhaust system, giving it both style and a deep, throaty sound on the road. While the truck runs and drives without issues, it could use a bit of attention to reach its full potential.
The dash cluster needs to be fixed, and some bodywork is required.
It also needs new tires and a transmission mount, which is already included, just needs to be installed.
Number 8.
1975 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It features an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a brown interior. The truck starts right up and has had a significant amount of work already done, including a brand new set of tires, a new alternator, new thermostat, new driveshaft, and new transmission lines.
It's not perfect and will require some additional attention.
Included with the truck is a new rocker panel for the passenger side, and it's recommended that the new owner gives it a full tune-up. The dash cluster needs repair, and while the transmission mount and additional tires are included, they still need to be installed. Some bodywork is also needed to bring it to the next level.
Number 9.
1970 Ford F250, price $5,500, with approximately 150,000 miles on it. It features a powerful 390 FE V8 engine paired with a dependable C6 automatic transmission, and it runs on gasoline. The truck is mechanically sound, starting up reliably every time, finished in blue both inside and out. This F250 offers a strong foundation for restoration or daily use. It has a rebuilt front end, an entirely new brake system, updated wiring harness, and new lights. Intake and exhaust seals have also been recently replaced, contributing to its strong running condition. A second gas tank is installed for extended range. The owner has several parts ready to go with the truck, including a headliner, complete weather stripping, and both front and rear weather seals. While the mechanical aspects are in excellent shape, the interior does need some attention, making this a great candidate for someone looking to finish a classic truck project.
Number 10. 1978 Dodge W150, price $4,200, factory 400 cubic inch big block truck with just 40,000 miles on the odometer. It features a green exterior and matching green interior, paired with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. Though the truck has been sitting since 1998, it recently received some new parts and now starts and moves under its own power. While the body shows significant rust, the frame remains solid, making it a strong candidate for a restoration project. With some additional time and investment, it could also serve as a reliable runaround vehicle. Due to its current condition, it will need to be towed.
However, a clean title is in hand, ready for the next owner to take on this classic piece of Dodge 4x4 history.